Have you ever used an AnyLogic database and experienced some strange behavior? Where the database was not being updated or refreshed. The value that you just inserted into the database could not be retrieved. Well, if you have, you're not alone. Very recently, a couple of Stack Overflow users had the same problem. They experienced the dark side of database. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you the following dramatization and let's see if you can relate. Okay, I know if I can get this example to work, I'll finally be able to use databases inside my simulation model. So let's have a look. I've got my table with the name, the column for name, the column for age, and on main, I've got a function here that's going to get the age. So I'm just going to trace line it, and the function I'm going to use getting the insert database query. So I'm going to say from this table people, where the name equals Joe, I want to get the age, right? So from people, I want to get the age, where the name equals Joe, and I just want to get the single value. Okay, great. Instead of Joe here, I actually want to use this edit box, right? So that we can get it from the user. Okay, dot get text. Okay, great, let's compile. It's working as expected. Then here I want to save a new value into the database. So I'm going to use the update function. We use the update function where we are going to say we want to update the people table, where the people.name equals, so the same syntax as what we had before, and it's going to be that edit box where we save the name dot get text. Okay, we're going to set what value do we want to set inside that table. We want to set the age column, and we want to set it to the edit box save age dot get double. Okay, and then lastly we need to execute this function. Okay, let's see if it compiles. Okay, great. So if we click on get age, it's going to tell us Joe is 22. Now we want to save Joe's age to 25 back into the database. Great. Now we say get age, it's still 22. But how can this be? Okay, let's get back to our table here. It says 25. But we saved it, when we retrieved it, it was 22 again. Let's just play the model again and see what happens. Okay, let's say get age. Now it's stating that Joe is 25. Okay, let's change it to 30. Save it. Get the age. It's still 25. How can this be? Let's go and have a look at our table. Okay, yeah, it still shows 25. Let's close it. And let's open the table again. It says 30. But this doesn't make sense. Inside our model, if we say get age, it's 25. Something's not right. Okay, let's play it again. We say get age, and it's 30. I give up. But wait, there's actually a very good reason why you're experiencing these issues. If you have a look at the autocomplete and you see the Java doc or the description that's been added to the function find result, you'll see that there's an additional parameter which is optional to add called cached. Now, if this is true, it will always use the cache value, and if it is false, it will find you the latest result. The problem here is that by default, if you don't supply this parameter, the value is true. Thus, the database, in trying to save processing time, will always get you the cached value and not the latest value. If you have a look at the help file, you will see that there's actually a number of functions that's got the cached parameter as an optional argument to the function. Here we can see a few. There's count, first result, has result, and unique result. If for any of these you do not specify that you don't want the cached value, it'll always return the cached value for you first. So remember, whenever using databases, be sure to identify whether you want the cached value or the latest value. Happy coding, see you in the next video. If you like this video, why not consider subscribing and you'll be notified of new videos. We tend to release a new video every week or so. or feel free to visit us at the website, theanylogicmodeler.com, and subscribe to the blog post. Thanks for watching.